trapezoidal roof tile roll forming machine is engineered to handle various roofing materials, including galvanized steel, aluminum, and pre-painted steel. This flexibility ensures that it can be adapted to the specific requirements of different projects. This machine employs a series of precisely crafted rollers to shape the raw material into trapezoidal profiles with exceptional accuracy. Its hydraulic system and adjustable roll stands allow for fine-tuning to meet strict dimensional tolerances. The PV4 Roll Forming Machine is designed for high-speed production. With its automatic control system, it can produce trapezoidal roof tiles at a remarkable rate, making it an ideal choice for large-scale roofing projects. One of the remarkable features of the PV4 machine is its toolless, quick changeover system. This allows operators to switch between different profiles and dimensions with minimal downtime, enhancing the machine's versatility.